Folks, this is One Piece OP17 English edition by single box random number 6. We got our pirates and we have the die asking for 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there is 9 times 9 pips. Here's our order. There we go. Get this thing printed. Or as music would say, get this thing printed. Alrighty. This puts us at the halfway mark. Good luck, folks. Good luck, good luck. Get this here for a dawn. So live mass. If you want the live mass, it's bong. B-O-N-G. There we go, number 3 and number 4 on the stussy. There we go, number 0. Ulti on the number 0 and lime juice on the 2. You might still be on cooldown, Mark. There we got Garrett on number 1. And Shiki on the number 8 for the SR. Going out to Zhao Ming. Those with the hate. We got the hate. I'm gonna ask like one last time. Can you hear anything I'm saying, Elizabeth? Can you hear anything I'm saying? There we got number 9 on the leader. Strusen on the number 3, and Nico Robin on number 7. On the Spider-Man watch order, yeah, no, of course, man. When are you planning to go see it? There, we've got number 1 on the rare. That was one of those packs with 1 rare. Happens occasionally is what I'm learning. There, I got Lin Lin on the number 9, and there, whoa! Wait, that's a really cool alt art. The Sweet 3 on the number 4 for Sumin. That one's sick. You got Katakuri. You got Smoothie. And I cannot remember this one's name even though I'm on this arc. For the life of me, I can't remember that one's name. Definitely no Katakuri, because the fight's been going on for quite a long time. Number 4. I'm gonna start watching in a little while. It's a good time. It's a good time. There we got Kaido on the number 8. Lead performers on the 1. Charlotte Pudding on the 9. And there's our first down. There's our first down. We got number 7 on the rare and Sweet 3 on the number 4. Kaido on the number 2 and Odin on the number 7. There's Hongo on the number 9 and Kaido number 2 on the SR. Again, crazy looking menacing art, man. Crazy looking menacing art. SR once again, number 2. Sasaki. Lin Lin on the number 9. There we got Sword Up on the number 6 and Gloriosa on the number 6 for the SR. On out to Sumin. Gloriosa of the Amazon Lily. Lucky Rope on the number 3 and Linlin on the number 2. Big Mom. Big Mom. There's Yamato on the number 4. And I don't have time to chat with Sotno Brett on number 9. Newgate in his youth on the 0. Jonzu on the number 8. Newgate on the number 1 for the leader. Izo on the 3. And King of the Pirates, number 6. That man will be the King of the Pirates. Backman on the number 7. And Usopp on the 0 for the SR. Going out to music. Getting the Sniper King himself. You got Newgate on the 0, Generals on number 4, and there is a Dawn we haven't seen in a minute. Of the Rocks Pirates. We haven't seen this Dawn in a hot minute. That'll be Dawn number 2. Oh, I got my stand back there. Cool. There's Peter Mac. Hello, hello, hello. There we go, number 5. Lime Juice on number 2. Good morning, Peter Mac. Good morning. There we got Rocks on the number 9. Nico on the number 7 and Jozu on the number 8 for the rare. Damn, Durango man, damn. Stussy on the number 4 and Shanks on the number 2 for the SR. Going out to music. Shanks. I said yes and yes. Then we got the Performers on the number 1. And there's a secret rare of Loki. Oh, we got another one. Building Snake on the Panda Man. Look at the Panda Man. This Panda Man is number 5 on the alt art. And we have Loki on the secret rare number 9 going out to Zhao Ming. So welcome to the past. Why does that sound like a, I don't know, it sounds very violent when you say it like that. So they have pandas on alt arts. It's like its own like little set of the Panda Man. So you can see it does have the alt art or the parallel star on it. It's on the commons and uncommons. They show up in the last slot. It's like a new thing they're doing for the anniversary set here. There we got Odin on the number 7. Music celebrate. Oh, that's music right there, celebrating his panda. We got number 5 on the SR of Newgate, going out to music. Right, damn, all mine are in CD. Oh, they're on cooldown. They shouldn't be any more. Yeah, there you go. See? There we got 0. There we have number 6 on the rare, and Strossen on the number 3 on the rare. Last pack, open for some last pack magic. Let's see one more alt art to throw up on the background here. Come on. Come on. We got Kaido on the number 8, Beckman on number 7, and Charlotte and Linlin on the number 9. Who wants to see the Hobbit? We have our recap coming up, folks. First, we have the Dawn 1 and 2. Good luck on the Dawn random. Okay. For the Dawn. You got 4 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. And there is 4 times. I forgot to take these out again, so my bad. We got music and then music. Music securing both Dawn. Music grabbing both Dawn. We'll say the numbers as we see it. We have 5, 2, 0, 2, 6, 2, 8. We have a secret rare number 9. We have the Panda Man alt art in the number 5. And there is the alt art on the rare parallel. The Sweet 3 Generals of the Big Mom Pirates. That is sick, man. That is sick. That was One Piece OP17, the English edition by single box, random number 6. We got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, 10 and 12, I think, are 1 spot away is what I last saw. Thank you all so much.